You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this fascinating word, and we're going to learn the British English pronunciation, the way it's said in the UK, with perhaps a bit of a British accent, as opposed to the American English pronunciation, so it gives you different references. UK pronunciation: sample, sample, sample. How to pronounce sample. American English pronunciation, however, the way it's pronounced in the US is more as sample, a sample. Sample, sample. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.